everyone, I am Dr. Shahbaz Asayar. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to conduct descriptive statistics in SPSS. Descriptive statistics are among the most necessary analysis in quantitative research. Before performing any type of analysis, researchers always do the descriptive statistics to understand the data and distribution of the data easily. In this tutorial, I will explain mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, minimum, maximum, range, skewness, and kurtosis, and then demonstrate how to obtain and interpret these statistics in SPSS. So mean is the arithmetic average of a set of observations. Median, the second measure, is the median. Median is the middle value. Mode is the most frequently occurring value. Standard deviation tells us how dispersed or spread out observations are around the mean. Variance is another measure of dispersion. It is closely related to standard deviation. So when we come to skewness describes the symmetry of a distribution. A skewness value around 0 indicates an approximately symmetric distribution. A positive skewness indicates a longer right hand tail. A negative skewness indicates a longer left hand tail. So threshold for skewness and kurtosis are different. So according to different scholars, there are multiple values suggested for skewness and kurtosis. A frequently cited applied guideline from George and Malray considers skewness and kurtosis values should be between -1 to +2. So it means there is another criteria who considers the value should be between -1 to +5. So now we are going to do the descriptive analysis in SPSS. So we go to analyze, then click on descriptive statistics, and then click on descriptives. So now we reset the variable set, and now we put all variables for which we are going to do descriptive statistics. So first of all, we put the demographic analysis here, then another demographic, gender, and these are also demographic variables. So now we click on options. We need all mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, variance, kurtosis, skewness. So now click on continue and click on. So we can also save standardized variables. Now we click on OK. So we have the results for minimum, maximum, mean, standard deviation, variance, skewness, kurtosis. So you can see these are the demographic variables. So now we are going to do the same descriptive analysis for the Likert scale. So we have already calculated the variables from Likert scale to compute variable. So now we will put all variables and put in variable set and click on OK. So we have the descriptive statistics for Likert scales. First variable green imply involvement. So you can see there are total 412 observations. Minimum value is -3.572 and the maximum value is 1.035. Mean is -0.0010 and standard deviation 1.001169, variance 1.002, skewness and kurtosis. As per the rule of George and Malray, so the value of skewness is between -1 to 2. So it means the value of skewness is lower than -1 and value of kurtosis is higher than 2. So the data is not normal. We can also see green human capital. We come to the value of skewness. The value of skewness is -1.228 and the value is lower than 1. On the other hand, the value of kurtosis is 1.311. So in this way, the data looks like normal. On the other hand, if you see green performance and management, the value of skewness is less than -1. On the other hand, the value of kurtosis is less than 2. So it means the data is also normal. So in this way, we can identify the normality of the data. But this is not only a way to consider whether the data is normal or not. So there are other tests we will discuss in next tutorials. So what are the other normality tests we apply to check the normality of the data? If you find my video helpful, so please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon so that you can get the next video easily.